This is Keshinie, a finalist for Miss Universe Malaysia 2024. Today we are at GLOJAS Specialist Clinic, which is for your hair, body and skin. And I'm excited for today as I want to enhance my beauty. So can't wait to try it out. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Dr. Kip. So today, what is your concern actually for your body?
It's bloated.
It's bloated.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, understand. So we do have a machine here in our clinic. It is called a Vanquish machine. Basically, it is a selective radio frequency. It will target the adipose tissue fats. Okay. Treatment is very comfortable. You just have to lie down.
Is it painful?
No. Generally, it is very comfortable. You're gonna feel a bit of gentle warm only.
Alright. Okay, thank you.
Alright, so let me see. So this is your concern area.
Yeah.
Basically, your pinch test
Yeah.
is positive. Okay, so this treatment is very suitable for you.
So for today, I'm at GLOJAS Specialist Clinic and I've just done my fat reduction treatment, and overall my experience was just feeling slightly uncomfortable as there was warm sensation and slight pains, but after the treatment I noticed that my tummy area has reduced in size. It definitely improved my body and it made my stomach look more flatter.